Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.3. First one, see, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. So here also we have to find the solutions or zeros or the roots. Okay, we have to find. In the first one also we found by using factorization method. Yes or no? Factorization method in the previous exercises. In these exercises also we will find roots, but according to which one, this is method of completing the square. Method of completing the square, we have to find the x values or roots, okay, or zeros. And one more also is there, using a quadratic formula. I will explain quadratic formula later before we are going to Roman number 2. Okay. Now for this, there are some steps you have to follow. Completing a square, you have to follow some steps. What are the steps I wrote here? First, make x square coefficient is equal to 1. Whatever it may be the equation given to you. Suppose this is the equation here, 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Compare this one, compare that one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare that equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is the value of a? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to x coefficient 1 and c is equal to constant minus 4. Constant minus 4. First step, what is the first step? Make x square coefficient is equal to 1. Here x square coefficient to 2. So make it equal to 1. How do you make it? Dividing the whole equation with 2. Dividing the whole equation with 2. So 2x square plus x minus 4 whole divided by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Therefore, you write 2x square by 2, okay, plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 value 0. Now here 2 cancel. You will get x square plus this can be written as 1 by 2x. X by 2 can be written as 1 by 2x. Minus 4 by 2 means 4 by 2 means 2. 2 times goes is equal to 0. Next, x square coefficient we made equal to 1. Next, what is the second one? Bring a constant term to the right hand side. Bring this constant. This is the constant term. This constant term to the right side you have to bring it. So, x square plus 1 by 2x is equal to 2. Constant term to the right side we brought. Now, third step. Add 1 by 2 b by a whole square on both sides. 1 by 2 b by a whole square term you have to add on both sides. See 1 by 2. So what we have to add means 1 by 2 b by a. B value see 1. B value 1 by a value 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole square you have to add on both sides. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means this is 1 into 1 1 by 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 4 whole square you have to add on both sides. Okay. On adding 1 by 4 whole square on both sides. Then this is x square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square left side adding and 1 by 4 whole square right side also we added. So this is equal to, now compare this one here, see x square plus this can be written as, you have to adjust this one just a little bit, 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2x. See, we need 2ab term. First you have to bring this one into either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square form. Okay, so then it will become square method. Okay, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So this is a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square formula a square plus 2ab. So 2a, 2 not there actually here. So you have to multiply with 2 and you have to divide with 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. We have to adjust this term. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, 1 is there. 1 into 1 by x, 1 by x you will get. Okay. Plus this is 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 plus this can be written 1 by 16. 1 square means 1, 4 square means 16. So this is equal to x square plus 2 into, this is a, no, a square. So x square means a square. Okay, x square plus 2a. A means x, b value 1 by 4. See, 1 into 1 1, no, 2 2s are 4. 2ab plus b square 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, here LCM 16, here 1 is there, 1 in 16, 16 times goes, 16 2s are 32 plus 16 in 16 one time goes, 1 into 1 1. Therefore, this is x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, this is 33 by 16. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. So a plus b whole square. Okay. So a plus b whole square. A value x plus b value 1 by 4, b value 1 by 4 whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to 33 by 16. 33 by 16. Now is square, whenever you remove, it will become a square root on right side. So this is x plus 1 by 4 is equal to root of 33 by 16. Whenever you remove here, it will become power 1 by 2 on the right side. So that is the square root. Therefore, x plus 1 by 4 is equal to root of 33 divided by 16. 16 is there, no? Plus or minus 4. So this is totally plus or minus root 33 by 4. Therefore x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus root 33 by 4, or x plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus root 33 by 4. Now x is equal to root 33 by 4 plus 1 by 4, on right side it becomes minus 1 by 4, or x is equal to minus root 33 by 4 plus 1 by 4, on right side it becomes minus 1 by 4. Therefore x is equal to, this is LCM here 4. 4 and 4 one time goes. 1 into root 33 root 33. Minus 4 and 4 one time goes. 1 into 1 1. Or x is equal to minus root 33 save minus 1 by 4. Therefore this is the answer. So x is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 4. X is equal to minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. Therefore solution set are roots. We can write roots. Roots is equal to root 33 minus 1, root 33 minus 1 by 4, comma, minus root 33 minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. That's all. Thank you.